Hi, I'm Chef Meg, and today I'm going to walk you through how to properly sanitize your prep table in 5 steps. Sanitizing is a critical part of food safety because it helps prevent cross-contamination, foodborne illnesses, and the spread of bacteria. Let's sanitize this table according to health inspection standards. Before you start, remove everything from the prep table. You have to take out your food, the bins, cutting boards, even the rails. All of these items should be cleaned and sanitized separately before being returned to the table. Next, remove all visible debris, ensuring that the surface is clear. For stuck-on debris, I like to use a bench scraper to lift away as much grime as possible. Then prepare warm, soapy water and scrub the surface with a brush or a clean rag to dislodge any grease or food particles. Next, use clean water and a clean rag to rinse the table and remove any detergent residue that might be left behind. Now, apply an OEM-approved sanitizing solution with a new rag. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper dilution, temperature, and contact time to ensure the efficacy of the sanitizing solution. Finally, let the surface air dry completely before using the prep table again. There you have it. What seems like a simple task can have huge impacts on your operations quality standards if not handled properly. For more tips on maintaining a clean workspace, visit our resource center.